Do you know one interesting thing about English language? If you know some basic rules about English language, if you go anywhere and if there is children, you can help them to learn about that structure or that rules. So they would like to, their parents would like to talk to you because they will think that you have knowledge about English. You can easily make any sentence in English language. You can easily teach English language. So why am I sharing these things to all of you? Because it happens to me. I know some basic rules about English language. I have taught English language to the people who was elder than me. So whenever I go anywhere, they just see me. If they know about me, so they start talking to me. They want to have conversation with me. Then how did you learn English language? What is your journey? How can we teach our children? Even parents ask me about this question, that how did you learn English language? How can we learn English? I feel very happy whenever this kind of question come to me, that how did you learn English language? People want to know about my journey. So I really feel happy from my inside that there is someone who really want to learn English language, who really want to improve their skill, because not because of their self but because of teaching their children. In this video I'm going to talk about how can we learn English language, not for ourselves but for our future, but for our children, but for those people who is really struggling with this language. We can help them to come out from this problem. So if I talk about my journey, so I started learning English language randomly. I did not decide that I would like to learn English language. I want to learn English language. I even did not think about learning English language. Gradually, when I got this mobile phone in 2023, I got this mobile phone. So I was scrolling videos on YouTube. So I got video of the Hati madam. She was speaking English language at Joe's talk. So I just clicked on that video. Who is she? And looking at her, I thought that she is a villager. And where is she? She is talking. She is just. I checked that channel's biography. So I thought that, oh my god, in this platform this village lady is here. So I started listening her voice, I started listening her video. So I really got inspiration that if she can learn English language only because of English language, she is just earning this much praises from the people, from the audience. So it is really very important task for us to learn English language, or we can earn so much praise only by learning English language. I learn English language, and after that if I teach English language, so that will be very beneficial for me. That will give me praise, that will give me appreciation from the people. So that's why I just watched that one video, and from that day I started watching videos. I started exploring about English language. Even that time also I did not think that I will learn English language, I will have to learn English language. No, I was just watching videos. I was focused on watching videos. I every time whenever I was doing anything, while cooking food, while eating food, while washing my clothes, every time I was listening English language. I was very crazy. I can admire myself that I was very crazy to learn English language, and just I was learning. Even though in 2023 I watched so many videos, more than 500 videos. I watched in one day. I used to watch 5 or 6 videos in one day, and I used to note down those all knowledge in my notebook. So after just completing 1 year to learn this language, and I did that when it came to start speaking, because I wanted to teach English language. I had gained knowledge about English language. I was knowing every grammar rules, because I used to watch so many videos and I used to note down everything. So I had grammar knowledge. And after that I joined a school, and there English was compulsory there, and only for English language they hired me to teach English language. So I was able to teach English language. But one thing I found in English medium school, that English is taught them as a subject, not as a language. I deeply thought about it, that English is a language and we are just teaching this language as a subject. So I decided that no, I will not teach English as a subject. I will teach it as a language, so that in future they could learn, they could speak, they could go anywhere, they could earn anything from English language. So I decided to improve my communication skill. I started focusing on speaking English language, and from that day I used to do practice every day, at least for 5 minutes. I used to practice of speaking English language, and I can say that in 2024 I was able to speak in English language. I used to teach English at my school, and really I got so much appreciation from the people, from the parents, from the students, that you teach English. I got really so much appreciation from the people, from the students, from the director of that school, that really you are doing great job. English is taught only as a subject, not as a language, but you are teaching these things as a language, so really it is commendable and you are doing great job. I got really motivation from those words, and I started exploring so many things about English language. So in 2024 I started teaching this language as a language at my school, and after that in 2025 I started teaching English by my own. I started English spoken classes in online mode to the students. From there I connected with so many people. To them I used to teach English language in 2025, and I'm very happy that I'm going to start that journey again. Because of my examination I had paused teaching English language, but now I'm very excited to start this journey again. And trust me guys, I will do this work in my whole life. I'm very happy. And if you are struggling with English language, so connect to me. Really try to come you out from this problem. I will help you to come out from this problem. So if you want to learn English language, if you want to improve your English communication skills, so join me on this. You can connect to me on this number. I will definitely help you to come out from this problem. If you are facing any problem, you can share with me. I will definitely help you to come out from that. So this was the journey, and I hope that you got to learn something from this journey, that how did I learn English language, how did I started teaching English language, what was my motivation, and what is my motivation for upcoming classes. So I would like to share each and everything, but not in this video. This video will be long if I share in this video. I will share that in next upcoming video. So till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day, and keep learning, keep improving. If you face any problems, so contact me on this number. Okay, I'll meet